Here's how to lock apps on iPhone iOS 18. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can lock apps on iPhone iOS 18. So make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know what to do. So in order to lock apps, you basically have to be on iOS 18 version. Below that, you won't be able to lock apps. So to confirm that you're on iOS 18, just basically go to your settings. And once you're inside your settings, just go to general and then your software update. Right over here, it'll show you your update. So here, as you can see, I'm currently on iOS 18.1 and you should be also up to date. So once that is confirmed, now I'm just gonna show you how you can lock it. First step, just basically choose the app that you want to lock. So for me, I'm just gonna use this example. I'm just gonna lock Netflix. So just basically tap and hold, just like that, and it'll give you 4 options: edit home screen, share app, require face ID. So we're just gonna press on require face ID, and it'll give me 2 options, and we don't want to cancel it. First one, require face ID, and the other one is hide and require face ID. We don't have to hide it specifically, we're just gonna require face ID for it. It's just gonna make it locked. So it's just gonna take our facial recognition, and after that, if I choose to open it, it's gonna ask for my face ID every time when I open it. So here, as you can see, if I block the camera somehow, it won't be able to recognize my face and won't open it. Yeah, just like that. Here, as you can see, it requires face ID every time. So yeah, so once you do this, and you can basically unlock it the same process. I'm just gonna show you how you can unlock it too. So let's say if you locked an app and now you are annoyed of it and you want to just basically unlock it. So now I'm just gonna show you the same. What you need to do is just basically open it again, tap and hold, just like that, and press on don't require face ID. It'll just require do that and you're good to go. Here, as you can see, it won't require any locks or anything. So yeah, you can do this for multiple apps, just like your YouTube, and you can just do any app that you like to, that you know that it's private and you just don't wanna want someone to look at them. So yeah, this is actually very useful. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.